everyone! Welcome back to Monchin channel! So today guys, I'm going to unbox this gift from my cousin. Yeah, I haven't opened yet before I'm going to unbox this one. I still don't know what's inside the box. So let's find out. Guys, if you're still new watching my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please click the notification bell below so that you're always updated every time I'm going to upload new videos. Thank you so much. Hey now guys, this is my gift from my cousin. This one is I'm going to unbox now. I'm going to open up this one to find out what's inside this box. And then also have here. Oh, so sweet. Yeah, my cousin gives chocolate. And then peanut cookies. Yeah. And then this one. Yeah. Shout out to my cousin Joseph Alastair ZX Megs. Guys, thank you so much for this angpao, and to Inday Piermon. Thank you so much, Dai, and to Inday Honey Mapiskay. Thank you so much for sharing your blessings with me. Yeah, I'm very much blessed. Thank you for being so generous. Thank you so much. So here's my angpao from them. Wow. 20. Honey Mapiskay. This one is from Megs. Yeah, their channel name is Joseph Alastair ZX. Wow! Oh, 28. And from Inday Piermon, $20 voucher. Wow! These are the gifts from my generous cousin, guys. Peanut cookies, the chocolate, and the one I'm going to unbox later. And my angpao. I'm very happy, guys. Thank you so much, Inday, for sharing your blessings to me. Yeah. Ako na kanya akong pasalamat. It really means a lot. I'm very much thankful, really. Ako kung easy. And then, now I'm going to unbox what's inside the box. Eee! Wow! Naka-scotch tape pa, oy. Special kayo. Okay. So, I guess, chocolate ni siya, guys. Chululit. Yeah, but, tanaw na to kung sa'y naong aning chululita, guys. Yeah. So, let's now open what's inside this box. Got tape pa, guys. Ay! ZX Max, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for being so generous. Sana naging chocolate na lang ako para laging sweet. Okay, now may chocolate kas. Hindi kay ko sweet to kas. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope that you will have a good day. So yeah, please don't forget to comment, like, and share. Your comment, like, and share in my channel is greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day ahead, everyone.